I'm going to go ahead and clean our chain. We're going to use some kerosene. Got a piece of cardboard to kind of just protect it from going everywhere. Then roll it to another section. I'm going to spray it. So what we're doing here is we're just taking off the wax coating that protects the chain from rusting and seals in the lubricant. The chain's still good. Once the chain starts getting stiff, cleaning it doesn't help. Then it's time for a new chain. Let's put this thing down just to kind of we're just going to clean up all the kerosene. There's really no wrong way to clean a chain, as long as you're cleaning it. So you can see these are brass. That must be the master link. Alright, so now we're going to do WD-40. So WD-40 is a penetrating rust and lubricant. So we're going to put our little box back. Like so. And bring our little grip tray. Like so. Not much left in this can. And we're going to spray it nice and liberally. Liberally? Liberal. Liberal? Alright. Alright, so what I want to do is wipe it again. We'll let it sit though. So if it was rusty, then I would say let's go back and scrub it some more, but it's not. So go ahead and give it a wipe. And I'm just pulling the chain. All we're doing is just wiping off the excess. So my chain says a lubricant. This is my old can. I love this Bel-Ra, man. This stuff does great. I've ridden this bike in some storms, some weather, put over 4,000 miles, and look, the chain looks still brand new. This stuff here does a great coating, doesn't sling off. It's awesome. I'll put a link below. Alright, we're going to go ahead and hit it with some chain lubricant by Bel-Ra. This stuff here goes on like, look at that, white. But it dries so good. So I really do love this chain wax by Bel-Ra, the SuperClean chain lubricant, because it, now granted, if you have a nice beautiful gold chain or a green chain or a color chain or whatever what you may have, it does kind of cover it with this white wax coating, but it is such a strong coating. I mean, I do like having the nice chain look, but man, this keeps your chain in great shape. I wish they had one that was like this but was clear, that didn't fling off. Comment and let me know what you use. Do you use Bel-Ra? Do you use Maximum? Do you use what? Let me know. Comment below. Tell me why you use yours, and maybe I'll try it. So it is a late night. Got the tire changed, cleaned and lubricated the chain, and I'm tired. So I think I'm gonna hit the hay, and tomorrow I'll have my 22mm socket. We'll change out the front tire. And then I'll give you a review on what I think about the tire machine after that. Alright, so like and subscribe, and wait till the next video.